Hi guys, welcome to our channel, 99 Reasons Why. Today I'll be reviewing two accessories that make life easier, the Puncube desktop stand and the Puncube wallet. Let's get started. Using the laptop desktop or lap stand. It lets you adjust laptop and iPad screens to 3 angles, which really improved my viewing comfort and reduced neck, back, and eye strain. The 15-degree keyboard tilt made typing much more comfortable, easing my wrist fatigue and boosting my productivity. I also love the retractable mousepad. It made both work and gaming more enjoyable, whether I was at my desk, in bed, on the sofa, or traveling. You can use it as a paperclip. Plus, it provided a stable and cool surface when using my laptop on my lap, preventing any overheating issues. As you can see from their website page, it's self-explanatory, a very functional product, worth every penny. In my experience using the Puncube minimal wallet, I found it incredibly practical and stylish. Its slim profile easily fits all my essentials: cards, cash, coins, and keys, making it the perfect companion for my front pocket. It allows you to store 5 cards, a minimalist wallet design. One feature I particularly appreciated is the concealed phone stand. It lets me switch from a sleek minimalist wallet to a functional stand effortlessly. This combination of aesthetics and practicality fits seamlessly into my lifestyle, offering both innovative design and convenience. If you love original designs, like I do, you'll definitely enjoy using this wallet. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more fun contents like this, and thank you for all that make our 100K subscribers possible.